Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So in case that you want something like this, if you go to Etsy or if you're planning to sell a digital planner here on Etsy like this, then I'm going to show you how to create one but in a very basic way. So all you need to do is to create an account on Canva. Just go to canva.com, sign up, go to create the design, go to the search icon, and then here you have to type digital planner or planner. Then Canva will show you templates or what type of planner you want to create. So for example, if I'm going to type here a digital planner, it will probably show you the size or what type of planner you want to create. This time, I want to create planner on a portrait type. So I'm going to click this one right here, but everything is up to you. It's the same thing. It will take you directly to this page where you can see different templates for your planner. And it's very easy. If you want or if you like any planner here or design, you just have to drag it to the blank page and then delete or replace or change the font style, font size, change the background color, and also add some effects, or you can add different elements right here. For example, this one. So you can change this with weekly, daily planner. You can also change the background color if you want. So basically, you can also change the design. If you want, you can go to elements and then search for something like flowers, spring, autumn, everything is up to you. And then drag the design or the element to the blank page. You can delete, you can change this one. Everything is up to you. You can resize. So for example, I'm going to delete this part right here. So I'm going to just delete and then look for its specific graphic from elements and then place it right here. So basically that's it. And if you want also to change the background, you can just basically look for that, resize, tap on the layer and send it backward or send backward or send back. Now the result should be like this. And all you have to do is to drag and go to the opacity, decrease transparency rather. So you have to simply decrease this one. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to start from scratch, if you want to create a digital planner through scratch, it's possible. Just delete this or add a blank page. So for example, I want to create from scratch. So I'm going to delete this one first. This is the blank page. Now it's the same thing. So for example, if you want to add a text, you can tap on the text. Or if you want to add lines, you can go to elements. So for example, I'm going to add here a daily planner. Actually, everything is up to you. You can also try weekly, monthly. So this is just an example. Let's just say I'm going to create digital daily planner. So you can change the font style if you want. And this is what it looks like. If you want to add effects, just go to effects. If you want to add outline or if you want to change this to look, if you want to change the font color, you can just basically tap on the color icon above and then change. So right now I'm changing or adding some effects and then I'm going to change the font color. There are tons of colors right here to choose. Now, also you can just copy and paste if you want to create another one. For example, if you want to add like schedule or date or something like that. And if you want to add lines, you can go to elements. If you want to add shapes, for example, if you want to add line right here and then add date and then line and schedule, you just have to go to elements and then look for a specific element. You can search for lines for any shape you want. Once done, you can drag the line to the blank page like this. You can resize. And same thing, you can also change the color if you want. So this is the result. So I'm going to add a text above. So let me copy and paste it right here. And then I'm going to add something like a text here. So this one is date and the other one is schedule. But actually everything is up to you. I know that you can do better than this. Now to add a more, then basically just go to elements again, and then you can add something like this if you want. So for example, if you want to add task for your daily planner, if you want to add notes, if you want to add to-do list, then everything is up to you. For example, I'm going to add here top 3 task. So actually I'm going to change the color later. I'm going to change this all to black. So I'm going to add top 3 task right here, and then move this. Now, if you want to add, for example, to-do list, you can tap on the elements and then search for to-do list sticker or icon. Go to graphics and then add that to the blank page. Now, if you want to add bullets, or let's just say small circle, again, you can go to elements and then search for dot, or let's just say small circle and then add this to the blank page. As easy as that. So basically, I can add here like 3 dots for my to-do list. And I'm going to place it right here. So let me go back to elements again, look for dot. And this is what it looks like. So let me do it again. Okay, so resize. So here I have 3. Now, if you want to add like notes, so you can go to elements again, search for notes. You can add the element for notes right here. And then you can go to elements again, search for square or rectangle. And then go to graphics, add that right here so you can add notes. So basically, this is what it looks like. You can add the text for notes. Now I'm going to add mood tracker. So go to elements again, look for mood tracker, then paste it right here. And then lastly is daily affirmation. So you can just basically go to elements again or text and then add daily affirmation, and you can add whatever you want here. So basically that's it. You can change again the font style, font size, you can change the font color, you can add background right here. So for example, this time I'm going to add stickers or elements for, let's just say, autumn. So I'm going to search it right here. And then I'm going to place the graphic or the design to each like edge, something like that. And also add another one again. But actually this one is optional. Everything is up to you. I know that you could do better than this. So if you want, just go to elements and then search for any object or element you want to add to your daily planner, monthly or weekly planner. So tap and then search for layer. Make sure that this one is back or send backward. You can also decrease transparency if you want. So basically, this is the simplest way and how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. Now you can go to Etsy and sell this digital planner. Do not forget to share and download this as PDF. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.